Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, walking around a 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment below. We'd like to know what you think about the Pacifica. Also, don't forget to smash that bell. That'll get you some notifications about these walkarounds as they're made. We do this to be transparent and to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos located on our website. If you'd like to see those photos and everything else that we offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of the video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Pacifica. So let's go ahead and get that walk around started, shall we? All right, we're walking around the Chrysler. As you can see, there's great tread on the tires. There are a few chips here in the front, very tiny. You wouldn't even see them once you back up. Finish, Clearcoat is in great condition. There's two heavy scratches that we couldn't get out right here and right here, but that is it. It's very minor, and once you back up, they vanish as well. For the mileage, it is 2 years old and has 34,000 miles on it. It's in wonderful condition. Driver's side, no heavy scratches, no dents or dings anywhere. Roof is the same. Finish, clear coat, everything's in wonderful condition. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Hello everyone, looking at what doesn't show up in our photos, which is this side of the visors, the headliner, and the top of the dash. If you have any questions about the interior exterior condition, or maybe some shipping options or financing options, please call Jennifer. Her name and number is located at the bottom of your screen. Remember to stay tuned to hear the engine running, and hopefully we will see you for our next video.